Adha is coming and I wish you happy Eid Mubarak. So today I'm going to make a very famous Turkish recipe called Adana. So here is my take on Adana. So let's see the ingredients. First of all, we're going to have veal. You can even have mutton, beef, chicken, whatever you want. So I'm going to add some onions, spices that contains chili flakes, chili powder, black pepper, salt to taste, and cumin powder along with allspice powder. Some chopped chilies, minced garlic, a spoonful of coriander chopped, breadcrumbs, lightly beaten egg, and a teaspoonful of oil. So let's mix it together. Make sure that all of your ingredients are mixed together perfectly. So our ingredients are mixed now. Take a small handful of mince and start pressing on your skewer sticks. Now we are going to make garlic yogurt sauce. So 1 cup of yogurt. I'm going to add garlic, some black pepper, and salt. So the next thing is we're going to make tomato coriander salad. Chop tomatoes, add coriander, some freshly squeezed lemon juice, salt, and oil. Mix it properly.